Okay, so right now I'm here in Grand West Side Hotel, here in Parañaque. So actually, it's near in SMOA. So super bilis lang ng check-in process. So let's go to our room. Yan, so ito yung keycard nila. So makikita mo dyan, wood yung keycard and then ito yung mga lugar. So, ito yung mga lap pool, kiddie pool, fitness hub. So makikita mo na agad dito kung anong level. So right now, I'm here inside the room ng Grand Westside Hotel. Malapit lang siya sa SMOA. So I'm going to give you a quick tour dito sa aking room. Ipapakita ko kung ano yung mga makikita nyo sa loob. And then also, I'm going to share yung mga amenities, facilities ng hotel. So let's go! Okay, so this is my room. Ayan, makikita nyo. On this side, meron siyang safety box. Ayan, and then we have here some free bottled water and then coffee and tea. So you can, boil a hot water for your coffee. And then on this side, meron siyang mini fridge. And then meron siyang free sleepers and then a laundry bag. So meron siyang hanger. So you can put your bag or your luggage here on this area. And then kung mag-book kayo ng 2 rooms, pwedeng connecting siya. So may door siya. So meron siya access to the next door kung marami kayong mag-stay dito. And then this is the bed. So it's a queen size bed. So meron siyang mga lamps. Yan. And then on this side, merong working table, which is gustong-gusto ko sa isang hotel. Dapat may working table. And then we have here a cute sofa. And then we have here a large window. So let's check kung ano yung makikita dito. Okay, so this is gonna be the other side of the Grand West Side. So wala tayong city view. So yan. So this is my room. So let me give you a wide angle. So enough naman siya for 2 adults. Sakto lang yung laki niya. Hindi ganun kaluwag. Hindi ganun kaliit. Super sakto lang. So let's go to their restroom. So ayun yung mga gamit ko. So this is the restroom. Yan. So we have here fresh towels. And then this is the toilet bowl. So good thing meron silang bidet. And then we have here some glass. So let's check here. So meron silang mga dental kit, vanity kit. So we have here a soap. And on this area, we have here a hot and cold shower. And then they have shampoo and then conditioner, then bath gel. So this is the toilet. And then they also have here a hair blower. Yan. So they have here a large mirror. Okay, so this is my room and I booked this one on Agoda. So if you want to book this one on Agoda, you can use my code Enjoy Travel to get up to 10% discount. So yan. So right now I'm in the VIP level of the hotel, so we're going to check the amenities and facilities of the hotel, like the pool, the gym, etc. So let's check that one. Okay, so if you want to withdraw cash, meron sila ditong ATM banks. ATM machines pala. Okay, what can I say about Grand Westside Hotel? Actually, okay naman siya for the price itself. Medyo pricey siya compared dun sa mga hotel na nandito kasi may mga murang hotel na for less than 3,000 pesos makakapag-stay ka na sa kanilang room. But dito, it's over 3,000 pesos and if you want to add buffet breakfast, so sometimes nagiging mas mahal siya. The good thing about this hotel is malaki yung reception area, malaki yung restaurant, malaki yung swimming pool area, maganda yung gym facility. So, actually malaki siya. So, that's the reason why mas mahal siya compared dun sa ibang hotel na nandito sa Parañaque or sa Pasay area. So guys, every time nag-travel ako, hindi pwedeng wala itong Mentos. Kasi ito, Mentos to make your breath fresh. And at the same time, kung inaantok ka, at least ito, pampatanggal ng antok. So, I always bring Mentos.